Good morning guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So finally we are on our way, and this time we are not that late, like 2 or 3 hours late, but we are just 48 minutes late, and yeah, but we count that as we are on time. With me right now is our driver, Mr. Felix.
Hi brother.
Former F1 champion.
Oh.
We have the fitness guru, Shantanu Mhatre,
Ashirwad.
who has reached his peak fitness of his life, and he's going to climb the trek in like half an hour. And we have
But I can climb the trek.
Mr.
Mind you.
Sharma ji, the king of Himachal, the so-called king of Himachal.
Veerbhadra. बस इतना ही मेरा maximum weight रहता है.
So finally we have reached the base point of Kotaligarh, and this guy is
It's my birthday today.
bullshit.
This is cake shit by Shantanu.
Has brought cake for us. That's the fluorescent beauty, Mr. Sharma.
तुम लोग क्या करने वाले? बैग सब लोग लेने वाले हैं या कैसे?
It's kind of raining here, and we have got all the gear, like the raincoat and everything. But let's see. It's kind of an easy trek, and let's find out.
जय शर्मा जी.
Finally, we have started the trek. It's raining, that's why I'm recording this on GoPro. Can't pull out the big camera.
And it already shows that we burnt 1k calories.
1k or just one?
According to Shantanu, it is 1 million.
This is Shantanu, fittest person in the world.
He has his own fitness coach in Siut. If any guy is interested,
Only girls.
only girls, yeah.
Views here are just spectacle because of the rain you can see all the fog. Still drizzling a bit. The slight drizzle. Temperatures are cold, and
The boys are hot.
we are climbing. Boys are hot, but still we are keeping our cool and heading on. To put things in perspective, here's the climb. Finally the big camera is out. The rain has stopped, and as you can see, the entire like resolution and everything is changed. The weather is also clear, as you have guessed out from the time lapses that we have shot. So now we are continuing our journey to the top most point of the trek. Let's go.
Are we shooting some taboo?
No, but you can say something about this trek, please.
I wouldn't. Thanks.
Please, I'm trying.
I've been hearing some disastrous farts since the morning. Thanks to English,
English,
Hindi. Patila.
दोनों चलेगा रे. How do you feel?
I'm feeling very good. The trek is easy to moderate. Anyone can climb. Even I can. अभी इतने
Which stop?
बस क्या? Yeah, which stop?
Turn now.
Yeah, अनुज भी है. Smita भी की.
Actually, I'm not tired, but I'm literally enjoying this trek because it's
everywhere evergreen. Show this 360 degree.
एक मिनट.
Healthy food.
मसाला शेक. मसाला.
I think it's time to put the camera back again in the bag because it started raining again. Now back to the GoPro. We are onto the jungle route right now. People traffic here. One hell of a climb. How tired?
I got medicine with me.
What's the name of that medicine? Doing an endorsement of which company? He is not here. Which company does Alphenlibe belong to? Sunfeast.
Nestle.
Nestle. Nestle. Doing endorsement of Nestle. Please pay him through me. You were adding something?
Yeah, we need just ADV bike. That's it.
Then we can take it up there, right?
Yeah, as an endorsement.
KTM, are you listening? That's the point where we have to go. This is the point where we have reached.
This is the point where we can go to heaven.
Most interesting trek I've ever been. Once more. अबे पीछे ये क्राउड है. क्राउड.
अच्छा डॉग है.
बैग को मत पकड़. We are at the top. We are at the top. We are at the top. Time to go down. We're almost down. Now it's completely easy. We don't have to climb and all. Just have to keep walking downhill. And once this like upward slope ends towards the fort, there's a small hotel down there. Very bit of distraction there, but now it's completely downhill. But just because of these stony stones around here, it's a bit difficult, and since it's raining, it's a bit slippery. Local food here in between the trek. Now we're almost there. Me and R had lunch, very tasty homemade lunch, vegetarian of course. Hashtag Shravan. Finally our trek comes to an end, kind of an end, more 20-25 minutes to go. That's Mr. Sharma ji. Still working on a Sunday but still on his trek. And that's the spirit one must follow. They should make time for other things such as these as well. So beautiful trek, very picturesque views, and there's like very less or equals to none, I can say. There was no trash which was found in this trek. Please don't trash. This is one of the cleanest treks I've ever been. So yeah, so if you are interested, it's a very easy to moderate trek and anyone can do it.